audible? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, last class we started discrete random variable, then probability mass function and probability distribution function for discrete random variables. In one or two problems, then we can stop. Distribution function also capital F of x, or cumulative distribution function or distribution function capital F of x. P of x is probability mass function for discrete variables. Take another problem. This one problem is completed, then we can go for the continuous random variables, continuous function. Okay, a random variable. A random variable x has x values given, probability of x given. Then some questions is asked. Find k. Compulsory they will ask unknown. Find k. Second question. P of x less than 6. P of x greater than or equal to 6. And probability 0 less than x less than 5. Third question. If probability x less than or equal to is given k already given, don't use k, some constant I'm using c greater than or. Find the minimum value of c. And determine. and determine the distribution function of x. So very good problem. First part you will do nicely. Probability of sigma of p of x equal to 1. Px less than 6 1 you can able to do. X greater than or equal to 6 means what? You can do probability 1 minus x less than 6. You will get. Probability 0 less than x less than 1 means what? Probability x is equal to 1. Probability x is equal to 2. Probability x is equal to 3. Probability x is equal to 4 plus plus plus. But this is very good question. Probability of x less than or equal to c. That value should be of. Find the minimum value of c. For what value of minimum c, this value will be. It's a very good question. Determine the distribution function of x. Capital F of x is asking. Copy it first question. The first part. To find a what you will do? Now p of x is equal to 1 we know. So that is x is equal to 0 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to 2 plus x is equal to 3 plus x is equal to 4 plus x is equal to 5 plus x is equal to 6 plus x is equal to 7. So if you do all sort of things, you will get what you will get. Simplify means you tell me. What is the value? Then tail square coefficient 1 means what I can do directly. Further than 1 means what? Split the middle term, then factorize. That also not possible means what? You know quadratic equation, how you will solve. ax square plus bx plus c means how you will solve? Tell me. How you will solve ax square plus bx plus c? Quadratic equation. How you will solve actually finding roots? What you will do?
Quadratic formula.
What is that formula?
Minus b plus minus root over b square minus
Hmm.
ac by 2a.
Why going slowly telling? Come on. Correct. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by
2a.
2a. That is actually b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Discriminant greater than 0 means our roots are real, not equal, is equal to 0 means roots are real, equal, less than 0 means imaginary roots. These all are studied in lower standard. That is coefficient 1 means second, otherwise we can't multiply this you can adjust. Correct or not? Now, what are the roots you tell me to simplify means 10 into minus 1 is minus 1. If I multiply, I want to get minus 1. If minus 10, sorry. If I add, I want to get 9k. So this how can you adjust 9k? Can you agree? Correct or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
10k square plus 10k minus k minus 1. Now, what I will do, just split actually. From first two figures, I will take 10k. So what I will take? K is equal to 1 by 2, K is equal to minus 1 because degree is second degree value, you will get two values. In these two also correct only according to roots, these two fellows satisfy the equation. But in our problem, who is the correct fellow to take inside? One fellow not be allowed, we cannot allow the one fellow. Why? We don't allow one fellow.
Negative.
What? Why?
Because the
Why it
probability
cannot be? Very good. Probability cannot be negative. So k minus 1 is not allowed actually. Maybe value is correct. Now this fellow is correct. K is equal to 1 by 10. Now first part complete or not? Now come to the second part. Shall x less than 6 means what? 0 to 6. But you can find x greater than 6, that is x less than 1 minus 0. Okay. But both are same story only. K value what you got? K is equal to what? Keeping box. Now come on. Next second question is what? Probability x less than 6. Yes, if you want to calculate probability minus x otherwise that is your wish. How you will do it? This is correct or not? What I written correct or not? Yes or no? What?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So yes. Now otherwise you can do what you will do. Or if you want to probability x is equal to 0 plus 1 plus you can do what? The same thing 1 minus x greater than 6 means what probability? 2k square is 7k square is k. 1 minus 9k square plus k. 1 minus this is what 9 by 100 plus 1 by 10. So this is equal to what? 1 minus 19 by 100 delta. Check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this is what 100 minus 19. 100 minus 19.
81 by 100.
Okay. Then, but already second part also I have done. This 7 is equal to what? Complete or not? Over. X less than 6 is this, but x greater than or less already I got this. This value I am writing. Now next. Next is what? Probability 0 less than x less than 5. So,
So it'll be 8K, right? Not 6K.
8k, yeah. Oh, sorry. 3 to 5 places, thank you. Thank you. Now, third question is very, very important. This you can do better distribution function, you can do first later, you can do, or this if you want, you can do first also. What is asking? X less than or equal to C, that is greater than off. What value of minimum C this value will reach? Actually, in our textbook they given K, but I changed it as a C because already that also K is there. We don't want to. Once if you get the K value, forget about the K. You can keep here K. But I don't want to confuse too much. I changed it as a C. Suppose in examinations if they given K means don't confuse. This K and this K is different. That's why I changed the value. Suppose in some text, maybe some teachers, if they're saying this K only using textbook, if they're given K means don't worry about this. This K and this K is totally different, so you don't confuse. Again, don't write that K is equal to 1 by 10 x. Now x less than or equal to 0 means what you will get? 0. X less than or equal to 1 means what? 0 plus k. Like this you can find out value. Try and error method. One by one you can do. Probability x less than or equal to 0 is what? 0. Probability x less than or equal to 1 means what? X is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1. That is equal to what? K. K means what? 1 by 10. So rule out. Then probability x is greater than or equal to 2 means what? Probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2. What will get? K. Correct or not? That is 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is greater than half? No. Correct or not? It's not greater than half. Then probability x greater than or equal to 3. Then this what will get?
2 by 5.
5k. This is equal to half. It's not a greater than half. Correct or not? Then see this value is half means what? Next value greater than guarantee half. So minimum value is what? From 4 it will start the greater than half. So C is equal to what? 4. If you want you can check. Obviously 4 is greater than half means what? 5 is more than half. Then 6 is more than half. Means that point I am talking. So this what will get actually 5k plus 3, 8k. 8 by 10. So that is 4 greater than half. So minimum value of C is what? 4. After that, if you write x equal to 5, so guarantee half then more than half because total sigma of x is what? 1. From here, guarantee it should be reaches more than 1. So minimum value is what? I'm starting with C 4. 5 also greater than half satisfies, 6 also greater than half, 7 also greater than half. But minimum value as minimum what value it reaches by value greater than half. So minimum value is what? Minimum value is what? X is equal to 4. Probability x greater than or equal to 4 is greater than half. Now what distribution function you can find? 280. by 10. 17 by 100. Huh? Check. Am I correct? Once again. This is equal to 0, you will get 1 by 10, 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 2 plus 2 by 10, 5 by 10, 5 plus 3, 8 by 10, 8 by 10 plus 1 by 100, or 8 by 10,
81 by 100.
81. Check. Yes, 81 by 100. Correct? Then this is what?
83 by 100.
83 by 100. Then 83 plus 17 is
1.
it is 1 0 times probability. Next, take one problem. Take. Copied everyone. Completed. Take. The random variable takes the value one, two, three, and 4, such that This is how we will do. One condition is imposing 2 into P of x is equal to 1, 3 into P of x is equal to 2, P of x is equal to 3, plus 5 into P of x, all are equal values such that 1 is multiplied by 2, 1 is multiplied by 3, 1 is multiplied by 5. Then he is asking probability function. X is equal to 1 means what is the probability of x, x equal to 2 means what is the probability of x equal to 3 means what is the probability, x equal to 4 means what is the probability. How we will do?
We equate everything with 1.
1 na? How can you equate?
So this is from the total probability be 1 for each function, for each variable.
How can you say is equal to 1? Total only 1 and each is 1 means what? 4, if we add 4 you will get. Confusion, you are confusing somewhat. But you are on track but you are confusing. First of all you should find probability or not. How you will find probability? How you will find? Each is equal to some k you can equate. You can assume these are all values is equal to k. From there you can say probability x is equal to 1 or something you can say, probability x is equal to 2 something you can say, probability x is equal to 3 you can say something, probability x is equal to 4. Then all 4 failures you can add, you will get some k value. Once if you get the k back, go back and substitute it. Then each point you will get the value. Reaching or not? Okay? Am I correct? Back again. Am I correct or not?
Okay, sir.
We don't know what I will do. 2 into this fellow is equal to k, 3 into this fellow is equal to k. But separately it's not k. Correct or not? Say k. Or assume it is assume it's equal to c. Now, from this, what I will get? P of x is equal to 1, what I will get?
K by 2.
Very good. Probability x is equal to 2.
2 by 3.
Hmm? X is equal to 3.
K.
Very good. X is equal to 4.
K by 5.
Now the story will start. What I know, sigma p of x is 1 I know. We know that. So this is equal to how can you write? You want to get x equal to another thing is I'm skipping. What is k value? Take LCM. Am I correct? Check.
Yes, sir.
Now, probability function you can follow what is there. If they ask distribution function also, you can find it's not a big deal. Shall we go? Copy. So take this problem of filtering. The random variable takes the values. and the probability distribution function and the distribution function of x. So mass function is asking what is capital F of x. Find the P of x. And F of x. And now we will find out. First condition is what? Probability x is equal to 0, greater than 0, less than 0 is same. Next conditions are what? X less than is equal to minus 3 is equal to x less than equal to minus 2 is equal to x less than equal to minus 1 is equal to x is equal to 1 is equal to x equal to 2 is equal to x equal to 3. How you will do? Any idea? First using first fellow I can say K. From there down or will it tell me? Nice question. Suppose I can ask you this probability. Zero is equal to K. But x is equal to 0, x is greater than 0, less than 0, sigma of p of each k. So, sigma of p of x what you know? To 1. This how can I write actually? Probability x is greater than 0 plus probability x is equal to 0 plus probability x less than 0. Correct? So, that is equal to each k means 1. That is equal to 1. This fellow is what? K plus K plus K plus K is equal to 1. So, 3K is equal to 1, K is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Half of the problem I reached. This fellow is 1 by 3, this fellow is 1 by 3, this fellow is 1 by 3. Then x is equal to 1, 2, 3. How can you say? X is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. How can you say? Come on. How can you tell it? Clearly is there in front of your eyes. You can be able to attack nicely. Okay. At least you can tell. Probability x greater than 0 means what here? Tell me.
1, 2, and 3.
1.
Probability 1,
Correct.
2, 3.
2.
Greater than
That is probability x is equal to 1 plus probability x is equal to 2 plus probability x is equal to 3. Correct?
mm,
But that 3 fellows are same or not? X is equal to,
Yes, they're same.
both 3 fellows are same or not? So, how nicely I will bring this in? Anything, you can take x less than 0 or greater than 0. But this is equal to what? Just say K1. Are you agree or not? Any problem? So I am calling K1. It's my wish. Agreeing with me or not?
Okay,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, this out an array, probability x greater than 0 is put out an array. This is equal to 3k1 or not. But this color is what? X greater than equal to 0 is what I know.
1/3.
X greater than 0 is what? Yes?
1/3.
K.
Very good. 1 by 3. So k1 is equal to what? Once if I get x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, these are the same as x is equal to -1, -2, -3. Are you agree or not? Tell me, yeah.
Yes, sir. Understood.
All three are equal or not? -3 is equal to 2, -1, 1, 2, 3. This each figure I got 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9. So this also is what? 1 by 9, 1 by 9, 1 by 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now, if you want, you can write like table exactly you can write -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. -3 is what? 1 by 9. Obviously, if you want to write from table, this is 1 by 9. 1 by 9. But x is equal to 0 is what? X is equal to 0 is what? X is equal to 0 is what? 1 by 3 we got, you know.
3.
Very bad, yeah. Now remaining what you can do. Property mass function or distribution you can add it. Okay. Then I will stop here. Okay, bye. Getting or not?